Hi guys, welcome to my first Draw With Me video. I've been wanting to make one of these for the longest time, so here goes nothing. To those of you that are new here, hi, hello, my name is Caitlin, but you can call me Kate. I'm a self-taught digital illustrator based on Long Island, New York. I've been creating ever since I was a child, drawing on rocks, and now as an adult, I love to create and teach others art. It's been almost a decade since I started creating digital art, let me tell you. I started with an iPad mini and a cheap rubber pen stylus that I bought from Bed Bath & Beyond for like $5.99. Best investment ever. Now, while working full-time, I would come home and practice drawing until I basically passed out. And I flip-flopped between basic drawing apps until I eventually came across Procreate, and it was groundbreaking. The rest is history. I've been hooked on phonics ever since. I taught myself how to use the app with trial and error and lots of practice. At the time, not too many YouTube tutorials were available, so I Google searched, I browsed forums, and consumed whatever I could. Today I create using an iPad Pro 12.9 inch with a second generation Apple Pencil, and it's like butter. With my art, I hope to inspire others to chase their dreams with tenacity and passion, because anything is possible if you've got enough nerve. In this video, I'm using Procreate's Symmetry guide in Radial. It's one of the most fun tools on Procreate, in my opinion. I use this tool to create coloring book pages. I self-published an adult coloring book called Coloring for Calmness, and it's designed for a super zen experience. It was a super fun experience creating it, and if you're interested in it, I will link my website below where it's available for purchase. I'm a firm believer that anybody can create art, and not just doodles, but meaningful, captivating pieces. You just need to know where to begin. With my new classes on Skillshare, I aim to inspire people to break out of their shell and dive into digital art on an even deeper level. During the pandemic lockdowns, I felt trapped and understimulated, so I started taking classes on Skillshare.com. Boy, did it up my art game. I personally love this online learning platform, and I'm so excited to now be a part of it teaching.